Here's this app which is called Elevate Brain Training. So let's just open it up and see how it works. And it's getting viral and quite popular for a lot of people, where you can just do some simple exercises and train your brain using 40 plus games, track your performance, support by research. So here are the aims which you can set up here. Okay, so anyhow, I'm just will show you the idea of it, and just like as a test how you should proceed with creating your account. And then and then finish setting up account. And then to create your account you can proceed with Apple, Google, Facebook or email. So then you just proceed and create your account with Apple, and then you should be good to go. And then how old are you? You can select your age. And then there is a free trial actually. So free access for 7 days and $39.99 per year, $3.33 per month. So that's what you can do. So you can always just proceed with a free account, 3 games per day, limited game library, simple metrics. So then just continue with your free account. You can allow or not allow notifications. And then there you have it. You can begin this brain workout. Daily workouts include up to 5 games. Complete them all to finish your trainings for the day. So here it is, and then you can see this game. You can see difficulty. I haven't used this exact app before, I think, but I used similar apps. So here you have the instructions where you can read the sentence and tap on an unnecessary word to make the sentence more concise. So there you have it. For example, which part of the sentence is unnecessary? Couple's annual anniversary. So some so something like that. So these are kind of the exercises, and you can see it can get really addicting. That's what I would do. And then you can just see how it's working, and that's basically the idea. High score, so nice. And then you can continue workout. And then you can see the next difficulty and all of that. So yep, that's the idea. Then you can select this processing with different difficulty, and that's basically the idea of the apps. That's how you create an account. And yeah, hope that is helpful.